Do you want to add location on Facebook Story? You can tag a location on Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a location on a Facebook Story, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story from the top of your newsfeed. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon on the right side of the screen. From the sticker options, tap on the location sticker. A list of nearby places will appear. You can either choose from the suggested list or search for a specific location in the search bar. Select the location you want to tag. It will be added as a sticker to your story. You can resize, rotate, and place the location sticker anywhere on your story. Once your story is ready, tap on the share button to post it.